Yung view ng room. Good morning! Punta na kaming Bern. Dito kami sa Thun. Ngayon yung Airbnb namin. Dito lang siya sa river. Diba? Yan yung inikutan namin. Dito walang pindot-pindot ng tawiran. Puro ano lang, give way to pedestrian. Ito na yung train station. Train station, bus station din.
That's me. With long hair.
At least you have hair.
Well, that's a good one.
Enjoy.
Yeah, thank you.
At least you have hair.
Wow.
Kasi yung nag-check sa amin paano siya. Cabbage. Yung pala tayo galing.
Pwede na pala tayo.
Anak ng tokwa tong Google na to.
Ikot-ikot pa kami. Pwede na palang bumawa sa escalate.
Ay!
Ayun ang Holy Gel.
Nandito tayo sa Bear Park. Nandito na ba yung mga bear? Ay, feeling ko may lagusan sila dito, bebo. May lagusan. Ayan, yun parang mga lagusan ng bear. Oh. Itong mga ano.
Ayun siya, oh, naglalakad doon. Doon, sa malayo, ayun, oh. Oh, ang laki niya. Ayan pa pala, oh, meron pang isa dyan, oh. Nakaupo lang siya, tamad.
Dito tayo.
Lalala. Ayun siya. Ay, pwede ka palang po.
Doon tayo sa bridge.
Pwede pala sa baba. Eh, paano pumunta doon sa baba? Ah, doon, bababa, babe. Balik ka. Mas malapit. Ang asawa ko, tignan mo. Iniwan na lang ako. Nakakita na ng oso eh.
Ayun yung bear. Ayun yung bear.
I've been racing against the clock. Now all I do is chase the sun. I tell myself that I'm growing up, but shit never gets done. Every promise that I make just breaks another one. I hang with people that I hate.
muna, tingnan mo muna ito para ano, para ma-appreciate mo na pang iba.
Ito ba yan?
Ha? Green pesto, tapos burrata ang gamitin.
Oh my God, ang sarap.
And find peace with who I've
Thumbs up. 9 out of 10. Actually, 10-10 sa akin. Tsaka hindi naman siya ganun kamahal kasi yung pizza nila, 25 francs. Diba, babe? 25 francs. So, 3.8 sa atin. Eh, yung isang Domino's, 5,000 yun. Diba, babe? Oo. Pero sa peso, yung pizza nila, 1.8. Ang galing ng piano niya, oh, may gulong. Ay, punta tayo dyan. Parang ganda, babe.
Parang may dagat nga doon, diba?
Lika, lika, lika.
Alam mo naman. Alam mo, may gagawin masama eh.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
Zurich. Bili tayong ticket, babe. Ang dami. Ang dami. Ang daming train.
Hindi, wala dyan tayo.
Daming tao. Ang lak. Grabe, ilang tren yan, no? 44, 40. Oo. Dugs. Ang dami.
Ay, tignan mo babe, yung trend nililift nila.
Ay!
Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure.
Ito, babe.
Ano?
Ay, thank you, Lord. Ito na yung ano namin. Bar. Kitchen. Last day in Switzerland.
tayo ah.
Oo nga ba? Last night pala. Last night. Ito yung view.
Walang view.
Walang view? Ito yung baba. Okay. Pagising lang namin ulit. Dito kami sa stay namin sa Zurich for the last night. Ganda ng gising ko.
Ha?
Ganda ng gising ko. Pero wala silang elevator, babe. Hi, babe! Last na namin, pag-iikot. Tingnan natin kung last na nga. Dito lang kami sa paikot ng Zurich. Ayun yung sinasabi ko na
Ay!
Parang pabalik-balik lang siya eh.
I used to jump without looking. Didn't care if I fell too hard. Now I keep my hands in my pockets. Overthink every scar. I've traded daisy chains for loose ends and all connection. I've traded summer breaks for long nights and lost direction. I know I've made mistakes, but never learned my lesson. Where did she go? I swear she was just here, running the show, so unafraid.
Hala! Ano ba yan, babe? Muntik na! Tumulong yung bag.
Wish I could go back to those days. Where did she go? Is she hiding in me? Behind dreams I used to dream. Help me see the world the way I used to do. My life was just cruel.
Ang tiga!
Ano?
Ay, sobrang tiga.
Ano yan?
I used to wish on dandelions, just blowing home into the breeze. Now I'm scared to make a simple promise.
Ang ganda.
Nothing stays the way it
Malinis.
seems.
Ang cute ng
Where did
cardigan.
she go? I swear she was just here, running the show, so unafraid.
Ay, yun pala yung
Wish
phone
I
view.
could go back to those days. Where did she go? Is she hiding in me? Behind dreams I used to dream. Help me see the world the way I used to
Sabi na tayo.
do. My life was
7
just
days.
cruel.
I don't know.
My life was just cruel.
Cold fridge. Ewan ko. So, tikman namin yan. So, yan. Cheers.
Cheers! Wala! Ang tapang! Ah!
Tapang.
Ang tapang, babe!
Tingnan ko nga to. Alam mo, lakas talaga ang uminom eh.
Ay! Patikin mo ko na daw.
Parang pareho naman sila ng lasa.
Mas matapang yan. Ayoko na, babe.
Ay. So, more for me.